Guys, so I'm currently heading to the mailbox to pick up my packet that I'm so excited to go get. So as you know, I do live in Japan, so we drive on the opposite side of the road. And as you can tell by this video, the biker and the walkers have the most right of way. So as I am maneuvering around these walkers and drivers to get my packet. So this is my packet. It did come with a dust bag. Oh my god. Oh my god. It smells, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. While I was opening this bag up, the smell just hit me in the face. And it is strong. And it's not a good smell. So what I probably do will probably put some type of air freshener on it before I wear it. Because I do not like the way this smells at all. And so I'm already looking at something that I don't like already about the bag. But it comes in a bag like this. I already see that the leather of it is kind of indented right here. Which is okay. I mean, I guess I could like kind of fluff that out and try to fix it a little bit. But okay, this bag is really scratched up, as you could tell. And then if you look closer to the little pins right here, there's some scratches on it. And it comes with bubbles. This is supposed to be the large. It comes with leather matching. Everything's just so scratched up and poorly made. Like the oh my god, I don't know if I can see. There's like, just take my word, y'all. I'm sorry, you can't really see it, but there is some thread that's loose right here. Some thread right here that's loose. I mean, look, the thread. Okay. It made me really upset. As you can see here, there's, oh my god. Now, y'all, I am so upset with this bag. I don't know. This is a bag that I really, really wanted, and I like this bag is not. This bag is not worth it. Period. Okay? It is not. I am totally upset. So, I don't know if you can see, but there's thread loose everywhere, y'all. Oh my god. And like the C, the H. Oh, I feel like I want to cry right now because like I really wanted this bag and it just looks so blah. But inside, my lighting here sucks. It has a pocket inside, and it has a pocket where you can put like your little iPhone in. You could put like your agenda book in. It has a zipper. Okay, so it has a little this. Let's see. Let me make sure it works. Okay, it works, guys. It works. And I thought I saw something that says Chanel on it. No, it doesn't. It doesn't, guys. I would definitely put the seller name and on the bottom. And then it has some white stains. Oh, you can see it right there. Can you see it, y'all? Oh my gosh. It has some white stains. So I would definitely say that this Chanel bag from this seller is not worth it. It is not worth it, y'all. At all. Like, I'm really, really sad. Really, really sad. And this is my first time buying something that's not authentic. So the links are not closed all the way. I'm not really good at this. But it's not closed all the way. So it does not say Chanel on the hardware right here, just to let y'all know. It does not say it, but you could adjust it. how you want it. I really, really wanted this bag to work out. I really did. I wanted it to be something that I wanted, something that looks authentic. But you can't hold it like this. And you also can hold it as a backpack. And it has a little pocket in the back, right here, that you could put in. So, this Chanel bag. This company, I will definitely link up the website. I probably would not order again from them because, one, before I even took it out the dust bag, like when I opened the dust bag open, it reeked. It smelled. I can't even tell you what it smelled like. And then, second, that I did not like about this company and their bag is that the bag, like I showed you, it came up dent. It's very dented right here. And I don't like it. And also, besides all the hardware, the gold, is all of it's scratch. All of it is scratch. Not to mention this white paint that's on the bag. And this right here does not say Chanel. It's supposed to have said Chanel, but it says something else like it's engraded. It does not say it at all. It's words. It's a word there, but it's not Chanel. I'm still gonna rock it, and I might buy another one from a different company. But let me tell you about my experience in buying from a China company, buying from a seller that's from China. So when I saw the bag, I have to have it because this is something that I really, really wanted. I wanted this bag. I wanted it in large. I wanted it in gold. Excuse me. So when you buy your bag, they will send an email to you saying, hey, you bought the bag. They also advertise you to pay with your credit card. But when I got the email, like I mentioned, they emailed me and said, hey, your credit card did not go through. And I'm like, what? I have money in my bank. So they say, hey, when we ship to the States, you only have to go to Western Union. Y'all, like, I'm human. I'm strict with my money. Yes, I will spurs, or I will on my birthday, I will go out and spend $2,000 on some designer wear. But that's for special occasions. For my birthday, I will do that. For when I graduated from college, so when I got my associate, my bachelor's degree, I did that. And when I get my master's degree this winter, I'm definitely gonna buy something big. I may go over $3,000. I don't know, but I just feel like that's a big accomplishment for myself. So stuff like that, I feel like I should be able to spoil myself. Anywho, let's go back. Okay, so that you have to do Western Union, right? So they can't accept cards. They only could accept Western Union. And I'm like, ugh. So I talked myself into doing it. I was like, you know what? Yes, it's $275 I'll be losing, but it's my fault. It's nobody else. It's my fault. So shame on them the first time, then second time, shame on me if I lose my money. Third time, it won't happen again. So yes, I rested in Union and I prayed. But when they gave me a picture of them shipping it, and when I emailed them, they responded really, really fast. So it kind of made me feel more at ease with the whole process. And oh my gosh, it's nice. I'm gonna rock the heck out of it. Yeah, I will do that. I will own it. But oh my gosh, it's look at the every single time I look at this bag, I'm finding something wrong with it. Oh my goodness, guys, I am finding something wrong with it every single time I look at it. But I'm still gonna rock it. But I'm gonna buy it from another company that seems legit, and I'm definitely gonna figure it out. But I'm gonna show you the bag again before I log off of here. But once again, I want to say thank you for listening to me ramble about my purse that I got. And please continue to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, y'all. I'm going to make more videos. I really enjoyed this a lot in making this video. What's this? Oh my god. I better stop looking at this bag before I keep finding something else. Like, what is... what the hell is that? Guys, like, I'm trying to close out my video while I'm trying to show y'all the purse as I try to close out my video, and I'm continue to find something that's wrong. So, but then again, once again, like I was mentioning, thank you for just hitting the play button. But please subscribe and get the alert, the little bell. Push it. But I am planning on making more.